Okay, so here is my little sourdough starter. Good morning, friends. So I have gone down a TikTok rabbit hole, the sourdough rabbit hole. And I bought a kit on Amazon. I have some flour. I'm gonna start a sourdough starter. So wish me luck. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So let's go. Here's a little unboxing video that I did just to show you what comes inside the kit. I bought this kit on Amazon on Black Friday, and I think I only paid like $10, which is amazing because it comes with everything. So I'm going to use the half cup tool that came in my kit, and I'm just going to go ahead and measure out a half a cup of the flour, and then I'm just going to pour it in my jar. I went ahead and I filled the same cup with filtered room temperature water, and I'm just pouring in a little bit at a time to make sure that I incorporate everything together and that I get that pancake consistency that everyone is talking about on TikTok. Okay, so here is my little sourdough starter. I have a very little amount of water left in here, of the filtered room temp water. I've been stirring, and I think that's a good consistency. I don't want it too runny. But I'm in Las Vegas, and I keep my house at like 68 degrees. It's like almost 2.5 weeks before Christmas. So it's cold outside, but it really isn't that cold in Vegas. So we'll see how she does. Day one of my sourdough. And I don't know what to name her. I want to name her something cute and spooky. Maybe you guys could help me name her in the comments down below. But I'm thinking like one of the Charmed sisters. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Just gonna use a paper towel and clean the inside of my jar. I don't want to see it looking all dirty. Okay, now that I've cleaned her, I don't know if I should put this thing on her or this thing. Everyone does everything so differently on the TikTok. So I guess I'll just put this cute little hat on her. And then I cleaned her as best as I could. And I guess I'll go off of like this side right here. She's thick. There she goes. Okay. She's right there at like a little underneath the 200. And then I'm going to write the date. I think today is December 8th. And it's so nice. They even give you like a white pen for these. These are so cute. Here's my girl and her date of birth, December 8th, 2024. Let's hope that you grow and become amazing. And I did everything right. Crossing my fingers. Happy first day. Thanks for following along.